So today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on the Apple Watch SE 3. First thing you need to do is make sure the screenshot function is enabled. So you press the crown once and then go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to general, tap on that, and then under general, scroll down to screenshots, tap on that, and then make sure you turn that on. Now with that feature on, you can now go back to the watch face, and now you can navigate to wherever it is you want to take a screenshot. And then press the crown and the other button once. So just press them simultaneously, but once and release, and that will take a screenshot as you have seen the screen flashing. Now all screenshots are going to be saved in the Photos app. All right, so you can actually access this from your iPhone. So if you go to your iPhone's gallery, which is the Photos app, let's try and get there. You can actually see we have that screenshot already reflecting on the watch, on the phone. So that is basically how to take screenshots of your Apple Watch SE 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.